One strange quirk about these trucks is how the door handle retaining clips can break off and the caps can be lost. Really brings the style down a notch, don't you think? This breakage could be attributed to attempted theft or vandalism, but I've also seen it experienced just by scraping into a tree. But it's this back piece here. Now this one's made to come off, but it can still break and get lost. That's kind of part of the problem. I'm going to use my AR glasses and show you a little bit more about it. Here's a comparison of a new one and a broken one. Retaining clips can break off when these things are removed from the outside. You can see here how this comes off. Tried to tape this one. But look, what's breaking in there is these clips when they're just ripped off. So these, you can try and silicone these in or tape them in. In fact, the Land Rover Workshop Manual makes note of this breakage and instructs releasing the clips from inside the door. So here's the new one. Here's the broken one. See, I tried taping it and gluing it in. Go to anchor. Confirm.